your own digital twin to produce pictures like this, and also to actually lip sync.
Can you believe I'm not real? This is my AI twin. It's actually scary how fast AI is moving, and I can't believe I can do this. I literally don't have to move anymore. If you want to learn how to make this, then comment AI.
So you can do quotes, or you can speak from a podcast point of view. Currently, images have been conquered. Lip sync is the only thing that's been a bit tricky, but it's getting even better now. That's what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to show you the full workflow of how I actually make my own digital twin. So let's start. First, I'm going to get myself my own headshot right here. Now with Meown, it makes it very easy because all I have to do is click workflows, digital twin. Now what you need to do, you need to find places where you can actually get inspiration images from. And what I like doing is I like going on Pinterest, or I like going on to Midjourney to then get some ideas of how I want my digital twin to act like. Editorial. I'm scrolling through Pinterest and I've seen an image that I want to look like. So let's use this as an example. Take a screenshot, drop it in here. Now I always put this to 2K, and then I hit select the image, your headshot. Then I select the style reference image, and then all I do is hit generate. Now what this does is it saves you from actually prompting, and you're getting inspiration from other images. It's not gonna replicate the image exactly the same. The AI model is gonna change it up so you get your own variation. So look, it's generated the image, and there was the reference image. It's made it quite similar. Right, so what I now want to do, I want to actually put myself in a podcast setting so I can actually speak to the camera and say some thoughts or whatever I want. So I found the image I liked on Midjourney, so I'm going to use that as my reference image. I'm then going to go to Meown Studio mode, drag the image in here. Now remember, you can get any image on Pinterest or wherever. Select the headshot, select the reference image of what I want myself to look like, generate twin, and we'll wait for that to generate. My digital twin has been generated, and it's an image of me on a podcast. So look, you can see how real it is. There's my original picture. That's an actual image of me. And this is the podcast one. And then this is the reference image. What we're going to do is we're going to take this one step further. We're now going to make me talk using lip sync. From all the lip sync models I've used, I believe that Meown has the best one because it really gives off the facial expressions and the quality is really good. I actually pre-recorded a little vocal clip of me. This is where Meown makes it so much easier. You just click workflows, lip sync, select the image that you want to use, select the voice audio that you want to use. There we go. And now for the prompt, we just type in something very generic. The male is talking to the camera on a podcast. Very simple. Keep that up portrait. And then all we do is hit generate. So I'm just going to play you the final video here.
Can you believe I'm not real? This is my AI twin. It's actually scary how fast AI is moving, and I can't believe I can do this. I literally don't have to move anymore. If you want to learn how to make this, then comment AI.
Now what I've found is the more closer you are to the face, the more better the mouth movement will be. 2 generations up to 60 seconds, which is really good. And another way I've figured out what to do is actually stitch the videos together so you can get even longer lengths. In the world of AI, people are really not going to know what's real and what's not. It's already happening now, and certain people are not keeping up to date with things. Whether you believe this is good or bad, people are already using it, businesses are using it, and this is how the future will look like. This is why it's still important to build an online presence by being yourself and speaking to the camera. But eventually, AI is going to get so good that it's going to be able to mimic every action that you do, and it's going to look exactly how you want to be portrayed online. Everyone's Instagram will be a profile of their imagination. So if I want to be a singer, all my images will be amazing, high-end, luxury, singer vibes. I'll be able to sing, I'll be able to do whatever I want. My interest is surfing. All my images will be in the Bahamas. I'll be surfing in Hawaii. Ultra realistic images. Right, so now you know how to do that. In the next episode, we'll be able to show you how to actually clone your own voice, so you technically do not even have to speak, which is even more insane, but that's going to be coming in the next tutorial. This is where I believe that everyone will have their own personality on Instagram. They can post any pictures they want. You can be in any country you want. You can wear any outfit you want with your digital clone. So if that's the case, no one's really going to be able to believe what's real anymore. Like and subscribe if I gave you some good information and tips and tricks.